Hey, hi everyone. This is Shivam, and this is the first module is going to be happen over today, and I'll tell you the basic select criteria and select statement. But before that, let me share with you something. Okay, so if someone is sending some parcel to some other person, like let's suppose I am the person, my name is Shivam, okay, and I am sending a parcel to Manoj, okay. He lives in let's suppose Bangalore, okay. So Manoj's address is, let's suppose, 204, not 204, uh, building number 204, fifth floor, gully number 3, area name, let me suppose any area name, suppose the sector 22, and Bangalore. Pin code, this is the imaginary pin code, so let's suppose 112233, and the state is Karnataka and India. So this is the address of Manoj. If now what is going to be happen if I am sending a file to Manoj, how someone is going to shortlist the address of Manoj? So if my address is, let's suppose, let me write my address is anything. Let me write my address is uh, house number 1, gully number 1, New Delhi, India. Let me short write. So Shivam is sending some parcel to Manoj. So here comes the parcel boy or the courier boy. What he will do, he will pick a parcel from me and he will send the parcel to Manoj. So how he will highlight, how he will sort the Manoj address? It will go in the it will go in the reverse order. Okay, how it will go in the reverse order? Okay, so the Manoj address is building number 204, fifth floor, gully number 3, sector 22, Bangalore, and the pin code is 112233, Karnataka, India, like this. Okay, so if what parcel boy is going to do, he will shortlist. Okay, this parcel is first going to the Karnataka, so then pa parcel is going to be sent over the Karnataka. Now in Karnataka, where the parcel is going to be happen, then this parcel is, it is going to Bangalore. Okay, okay, it is in Bangalore. Now parcel has reached till Bangalore. Now in Bangalore there are multiple pin codes, multiple areas. Okay, so where it is going to be, where it is intended for. Now he will shortlist the pin code 112233. Now after that, the in one pin code there might be a possibility there are multiple areas, so he will shortlist the area. So what is then the area will be sector 22. Okay, now see, in one area, see in my area there are plenty of gullies, plenty of sub area. So how will satellite? So okay, this parcel is going into the gully number 3, so he will go in the gully number 3. And after that, in gully number 3 there are plenty of addresses, plenty of building is available, so he will go into the building number. So building number is 204, and so let's suppose in that building there are multiple floors. Let's suppose in this building Manoj is living on the 5th floor, but see there might be a possibility there are two Manoj, one is living on the 3rd floor, one is living on the 5th floor. So then he will go at the 5th floor, and then at the last he will check with the identity card. Okay, and after the matching of each and everything, the parcel is going to be hand over to the Manoj. This is the sequence that we are sending into the real world. Now just relate this with the database. Anything you are like asking in the database? Let's suppose you are writing any statement in the database key select something from something. It means what is going to be happen? Sorry. The basic statement is select column name from table name. Okay, so I am giving the underscore. Why? Because in database, if you are writing as a blank, like if you are giving this space, it will get confused. Okay, so you need to write either underscore dash or something like this. Okay, so to the reread the column name. So let me come at this website, let me go through this website. So you can see there are run button, this is setting, and we are dealing in the hospital database. There are two database available, Northwind database and hospital database. In hospital database, you will see how many table I have available. I have 4 table total: patient, admission, doctor, province name. I'll tell you one by one. So here on the right side, if you want to practice, there are multiple questions in the category like easy, medium, hard. So you can practice over here. And if you want to see the all questions, so you can see there are plenty of question available. Okay, so you can practice over here. And now if you'll click on start, it will getting start. So I'm not clicking on start because every time when you'll click on start, it will show you the question number 1 2 3, and it will getting into that. But before that, I'll tell you the main crux of this SQL. Okay, so yeah, yeah, one thing, I will write each and everything in the caps so that it will be easy for me or you to understand. Okay, so basic syntax of select SQL is select everything from table name. So I'm writing over here select column name from table name. Okay, table name. Okay, now see, I have 4 tables like patient, admission, doctor, province. So how do I know in which table, which column is available? What is this data types of that column? How do we join? So each and everything in the coming lecture I will tell you. Now before that, let me tell you one more thing. You can comment anything in the SQL. So in different databases, there are multiple style of comments. So over here, the style is simple, the slash and star. So this is comment your start and then star and slash. So your comment is ended. Now, if you want to know key, let me write the just first code. So what it is, select everything from table name is patients tab. So you can see the table name is here, patient, and star symbolize each and everything. Okay, so select all from patient. In some SQL you need to write a colon, semicolon, or in some SQL you don't need to write a semicolon. Depends on you, on which you are practicing. So if I'll run, you can see that each and every column is appear. In the bottom right corner, it is saying no question selected because I am not doing the practice over here. I'm just showing to you how you can do each and everything. Okay, so select all from patient. You can see there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 10 column I have, and it is telling about you about the patient ID, first name, last name, gender, birth date, city, province ID, allergy, height and weight. Okay, now you want to see key what is present in other table, you can also do. So you can just the admission and then run it. So you can see this is my admission table in which I have only patient ID, admission date, discharge date, diagnosis, and attending doctor ID. So this is how you can start your SQL. So let me tell you once again what the basic syntax of this SQL is. Select column name from table name, which I wrote over here. Select column name from table name. Okay. Now column name, if you want any specific column, you need to write that column name. If you want complete columns, like there are 10 column in my table, so you need to write star. Okay, so select everything from admission. So this is for yeah, so this is for today. We'll meet in the next module.